Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial on how to restart your printer spooler service. This spooler service needs restarting when you are unable to print. Sometimes you get error messages, cannot print, or the printer doesn't work for any unexpected reason. This is the first step that any IT professional will do before reinstalling any printers. You can click on Start or right click on Computer, go to Manage. Also, please remember to have local admin on your computer. If you're not a local admin, you will not see the computer management screen. It'll come up asking for a username and password. If that happens, please contact your local IT. Once you get this screen, go to Services and Applications, then click on Services, double click. You'll get a list of services that the computer has. Type in, using the keyboard, PRINT. This will highlight Printer Spooler. Right click on Printer Spooler, go to Restart. This will go through the process of restarting the Printer Spooler service. As you can see, that's completed. Once that's done, try printing again. If you're still having problems, please contact your IT help desk. Thank you for watching.